Well, that's great. I wasn't expecting anything today whenever I got home from work. iScooter sent me a free U-lock and cable along with my scooter purchase. Took a little bit longer to get here than the scooter. Comes with a nice cable. It's not the thickest, but it gives quite the presentation. That's really all it is you're trying to prevent theft based on a presentation. It's not like it's some $2,500 scooter. So there's that. This is actually like a soft silicone, so you don't have to worry about it scratching anything on your scooter. You can put this around either through your wheel, or you can put this around the tube that goes up the handlebar. You got this here. I'm trying to look in the camera in order to find this here. It's kind of tough. Kind of a cool key. Alright, that thing's kind of the real deal. It's actually kind of a heavy duty U-lock. There you go. And that's always kind of nifty whenever you can kind of take the key out and keep things in pieces. This won't be too much to keep in your backpack. It also comes with this, which I guess you would be able to put on your handlebar if you wanted to, and then it would run through like this. Run through like that. And the lock would go through it, of course, with your key. So, there you go. Something else that comes along with your iScooter. Pretty cool. Free. Free's for me.